Hello, thank you for joining me. I would like to discuss with you a little known trick for charging your phone if you have a Galaxy S5. That's a Samsung Galaxy S5. As you know, it has a funky little charger. It's really weird. I don't want to use the zoom because I make a mess out of it when I do, but there it is. It dips down on the top. This is the top of it. It has an opening, a valley here, and so it has two separate pieces on it. Now when you charge your phone and you're using the Samsung cord and the adapter, it charges really quickly. As you can see, this one is frayed, so I put a piece of electrical tape around it. I'm waiting for a new one to come in. I've gone through a couple of these that you can pick up from the store or from a swap meet, and they last for a little while, but none have lasted as long as the original cord that I got with the phone. So I was always paranoid that I was going to break this USB charging port. As you can see, yes, it's worn. I've had it for approximately 4 years. You open up this little port and it fits right in there. However, I've been in a bind a few times where I've forgotten my cord and wasn't able to charge it. I'd have to use the power saving mode that the phone has, and it has a very good two power saving modes on it. What most people don't know is you can use these regular battery chargers, or excuse me, phone chargers that most other phones use. See that little small single phone charging port, that little small charging piece there. It will fit. If you look in your phone, this is part of the waterproofing part of this phone, so I don't want to break it. Let's see if I can get this in there. The widest part, there's two parts. One part is wider than the other one. Give me a second. Let's see if I can get that just right on here. So if the phone is facing up, the right side will be the side you will fit this in. And I'm going to slide this right in there so you can see. And it only fits one way. And once you put it in, you'll see the phone power up to charge. And there you have it. The phone is charging. Right there. You can see that it's charging. And I wish I'd known that some years ago, because I was in a bind and I ended up having to put my phone in power saving mode for quite some time. I'm going to power it off, and that way you'll be able to see. That it's charging. It's a weird thing. It would have been so nice to know that. I think the Galaxy 3 takes the same type of cord or charging cord. So it's at 28%. As you can see, it's charging. It's charging with this single cord that most other phones use. It is making it a little warm, and so it will get a little hot, but the wireless chargers also cause the phone to get hot. So what I normally do is I let that charge for a little bit, and then I take it off, and then I plug it back up. It's already gone up 1%. I'll charge it for a short amount of time, unplug it, then I'll plug it back up and let it completely charge. It may take me 2 or 3 times to do that because I don't want to overheat the phone. But it's better than going for days without it and being on power saving mode. The ultra power saving mode does not let you get a lot of the functions on your phone. And if you use your phone a lot, you'll need them. So thank you for joining me. Until next time.